Move that boy. Oga, don't make that mistake.
My friend, how are you? Happy Sunday.
Do I know you?
Please, are you comfortable the way you are dressed? And you are a fine boy, you. Somebody's son. Look at how indecently you are dressed. Can't your trousers be on your waist? You need to dress the way you want to be addressed, my friend. These things are not good. You should live by example. You look like a thief.
Look at my face.
Eh?
Who is this man in the first place?
Look at that. Look at that young man there. Can't you see how neatly he's dressed? On suit, classic.
May nobody pressure me.
How old are you?
Old enough to be your uncle. Oga, when you are done, check front.
I can imagine. This one is gone. Now finish this one. Ah, my friend. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Well
sir.
done. I love the way you are dressed. Very classic and responsible.
Thank you.
Every young man should emulate people like you in the society. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Unlike some nuisance there. Somebody's child. Keep it up, my brother.
Thank you.
God bless you. You're going to church, right?
Yeah.
God bless you.
You.
Well done.
Jesus. Idiot.
Stop me for here. Accident won't happen for front.
Oga. God bless you, sir.
Amen.
How did you manage to know that there will be an accident?
My brother, no accident for anywhere. I don't get transport. See us.
If only you can see the pain in my heart. If only you can see. If only you can see.